Welcome to Chad's Cooking, where I'm going to cook amazing food. Yay! And these shoes are awesome. Okay, so we are gonna make ramen noodles. And this is how you make them. First, you get a knife. Then you stick it a little bit. Alright, and you hear it. Okay, sounds pretty soft. Okay. So let me open them and show you what it looks like. So the ramen noodles should look like this. And then you put some water in there. So just turn on the faucet, put water in there. Alright, that's good. Okay. Let's turn on the lights. I always turn on your lights. And my feet are hard. Okay, so I'm an all-star, so don't worry about some bootleg. Yep, it can go down pretty deep. So then you open up your microwave. Don't have the muscles like I used to. Then you sit in here with it. I'm just kidding. Don't ever do that. Close the microwave, and let's see. You add 30 seconds until it gets to just about 4. No, that's too much. Start. Oh shoot, that's too much. Alright, so start. Till you get to 30 minutes and 30 seconds. Yep, koopa. And I'll show you what it looks like when we're finished and tell you what to do from there. Commercial break. Are you tired of beating your son with just a normal spatula? Ow. Well, we'll get a new product. The spoon, the dirty spoon. And it hurts even worse. Ow, stop. And it's guaranteed, or you'll get 1 cent off. I hate the commercial break. Shut up. Ow. Okay, another commercial break. This video does not contain editing. No editing. So, yeah, I don't feel like editing today. Yeah, in your face. So, when the ramen noodles are done, you need your parents to pick it up. It's really hot. Pick it up. Ooh. Okay. Let me do this off camera. Cameraman, turn it off. Okay. Again, I love ramen just like I love Naruto. So, first, we're just gonna do this. Yeah. Stir it up. And then we're gonna pour it all out with the water off camera, because I might get hurt. Okay, so we're gonna use this beef and put it in the noodles. And I did hurt myself, so yeah. And these noodles right here, this is beef. Oh no. Oh, okay, let's get that off my nose, cameraman. Okay, koopa. Don't want to mess up my new plushie. Okay, so let's put it in there and show you. So it looks plain right now, and I'll show you what it looks like when I stir it up. So it looks like this. And guys, that's how you cook ramen noodles like a boss. Oh yeah, and I did stab through those things. So if you enjoyed, leave a like.